So we got to start playing with the furnace a little bit today, and I just kind of found the easiest thing to lock into. Again, here's our sphere, little I2C display, our Arduino talking I2C to that guy. And yeah, I found the kind of easiest thing to track the wires out of this whole big bundle so far. So we took the circuit board out. So we're gonna look at the inducer motor, and I picked this kind of for two reasons. I didn't finish the integration with this yet, but one, pretty easy to power. You just send 120 hot and ground, and then there's the little pressure switch, and I was curious how this worked, if it was like a physical switch or not. And it is a physical switch. So what I'm going to end up having eventually is it down to this board, and we're just going to send a 5-volt signal up, and then that is going to act as an input to one of our Arduino pins. Again, that's not quite hooked in yet. It's got the hot power from here, but so first I wanted to test the kind of relay. I have my flame sensor here that we're going to use as our push button because I'm too lazy to wire in an actual push button. So effectively, if we switch this, you can still see our little display here. Let's see. All right. And you can hear the relay click. The reason nothing's happening is because I have the main power to the furnace still running through the switch here, so I kind of have to push this down before anything else happens. So I'm going to try to put my phone down so I have two free hands, and let's see it work. Alright, so we got nothing. And when I bring the flame close, and it's blowing. And then if the flame goes out, it's going to kill it. And that's where we're at right now. Just a little extra wiring. Need to figure out how to organize this all better, but for now, this is good. Peace.